How to use Signal app. So if you want to use Signal app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Signal. After searching for Signal, if you have any updates, just go and update. But if you've not installed your Signal application, you can just simply go and install it. After installing, tap on open, which will be on the right side. Now, if you want to restore or transfer, like if you already have an account and if you want to restore to a new device, then you can go with restore, which will be in the bottom. Or if you don't have an account and if you are new to Signal, you can go with continue, go with next, and allow all of the permissions. From here, you need to enter your mobile number. Once you enter your phone number, you just need to simply go with confirm and then tap on OK. And it will send you a verification code to the number that you've just entered. So you just need to simply go and enter that verification code. After entering the verification code, you need to enter your PIN, create your PIN. Once done, you need to go and enter your name. So I'll enter my name right here. After that, you can also add some profile picture if you want to. I'll just simply go and skip that. Go with next, which will be on the bottom, and your account has been created. Now, if you want to use Signal application, you need to first create your account. So the step has been done. After creating your account, you can just simply go with your calls and you can call someone. Like if you don't have anyone on your Signal, you can add your friends. So go with search, which will be on the top, and then search for a friend, like search for a person's contact. Like for example, I'll go with this person right here, tap on it. And if the person has Signal application, then you'll be able to add them as a friend and call that person. But in my case, this person is not using Signal. So you can invite the person to use Signal. So just simply go and add your friends, and after adding, call them or chat with them. You can also upload some stories as well. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.